Okay, so imagine for a moment that you have this collection of all these functions, these RPG actions and macros, and you want to combine one. Let me show you what to do. The first thing you do is you go to the Functions menu and you click on Action Stacker. Okay, and just like all of the other function tools, you go ahead and you hit the right arrow key to pull up the Action Stacker window, which looks like this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to say, okay, what's the name of this action that I want to work on? So I'm going to just call this video test. Video test. Okay, that's the first thing, and I can give it a description. Again, numbers, letters only. This is a demo video action. Okay, so now on the bottom left-hand side, you have a library of all of the macros and functions available to you for Lightroom 4.2, which is huge, okay? So if I want to zoom in on a photograph, for example, as the first step in my macro, I might push I select the item in blue and hit the button to the right. So step number 1 in this new stacked action is going to be zoom in. Now, if the next thing I want to do is I don't know, shortcut up. Let's see if we have anything with a macro with that name. Let's just try shortcut. Okay, so what if after that I want to do shortcut Alt plus equal sign? I'm going to put that over here. Now, I can do anything I want. I can stack macros to fire one after another based on whatever it is that you want, okay? And if you want to move one of them up or down, okay, you can. So this is, I've now got zoom in, shortcut control plus equals, shortcut control plus X. I mean, this is just totally fictitious. I would never do any of this, but I can now save this as a new function to then put on my keys back in the main user interface. And if you want to edit a macro, you simply select an existing stacked macro. It drops down here, it shows you what you've made, and you can go in and you can edit it. So the search tool at the bottom is going to be critical for this because you're going to end up with a library of functions that's massive. But this tool allows you to kind of combine things to make a single macro or action to put on a single key to make your life better.